Affiliate marketing has revolutionized the way people make money online, allowing individuals like you to earn passive income by promoting products and services. And the best part, you don't need to invest a single penny to get started. Hey there, welcome back to Cash Collect. In today's video, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, specifically tailored for beginners. Are you ready to learn how to earn $800 a day with zero investment? Let's get started. LinkedIn is a prominent professional networking platform that can be used to make money online through its affiliate program. By connecting with individuals looking for job opportunities and helping them explore and upskill in their desired fields, you can earn commissions when they sign up for courses on LinkedIn Learning. To get started, creating a strong and impactful LinkedIn profile is crucial for establishing yourself as a credible professional in your field. It serves as a platform to showcase your expertise, experience, and skills, attracting valuable connections and potential leads. Craft your profile thoughtfully to engage the audience effectively. Highlight your achievements and professional journey in a concise and compelling manner. Emphasize your areas of expertise, demonstrating your skills through concrete examples. Use a professional tone and ensure your profile reflects your personal brand. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance visibility and optimize your profile for search results. Include a professional headshot and a concise yet captivating headline that encapsulates your value proposition. Utilize the summary section to provide a compelling overview of your career, highlighting your unique selling points. Leverage the experience section to showcase your accomplishments, responsibilities, and notable projects. Don't forget to include any certifications, awards, or volunteer work that further validates your expertise. Once you have set up your profile, the next step is to build a network of connections. To do this, navigate to the Network section on LinkedIn and explore individuals with similar interests or professional backgrounds. LinkedIn provides recommendations based on the information you have provided on your profile, making it easier to find relevant connections. By connecting with like-minded individuals, you increase your chances of reaching a target audience that may be interested in LinkedIn Learning courses. Furthermore, you can use the search function on LinkedIn to find individuals specifically looking for job opportunities. By using keywords such as looking for opportunities, seeking a new job, or interested in upskilling, you can identify potential leads who may benefit from LinkedIn Learning courses. When you find suitable profiles, send them connection requests and wait for them to accept. To monetize your LinkedIn connections and promote LinkedIn Learning courses, you need to join the LinkedIn Learning Affiliate Program. There are two primary methods to do this. The first method is to utilize Offer Vault, an affiliate marketing platform that provides various offers. Search for LinkedIn Learning on Offer Vault and select the relevant offer. This will redirect you to a page where you can sign up and create an account. The second method is to search for the LinkedIn Learning Affiliate Program on a search engine. The official LinkedIn Learning Affiliate Program page should be among the top results. Access the page and scroll down to find the link to join the program. By following the instructions and completing the required details, you will be able to sign up for the affiliate program. Now that your profile is ready, connections have been established, and you have your affiliate link. It's time to start promoting LinkedIn Learning to your connections. Craft personalized messages to individuals who are actively seeking job opportunities. Express your appreciation for connecting with them. Acknowledge their search for opportunities and introduce them to the value of LinkedIn Learning. In your messages, highlight the benefits of LinkedIn Learning, such as the opportunity to acquire new skills, enhance their resumes, and access a free 30-day trial. Emphasize how these courses can help them stand out in the competitive job market and pursue their career goals effectively. By providing valuable information and demonstrating how LinkedIn Learning can assist them in achieving their objectives, you increase the likelihood of conversions. When sharing the affiliate link in your messages, ensure that it is easily accessible and clickable. Long, cumbersome URLs can discourage recipients from taking action. By using the link shortening service, Bitly, you can create a concise and user-friendly link that redirects to your affiliate URL. Simply paste your affiliate link into Bitly, generate a shortened link, and include it in your messages. Once you have composed your personalized message and included the shortened affiliate link, you can send it to your connections. LinkedIn allows you to send messages to your connections directly through the platform. Make sure to follow any messaging limits or guidelines set by LinkedIn to avoid any potential restrictions or penalties. When sending messages, keep in mind that your goal is to provide value and help individuals find relevant opportunities for upskilling and professional development. Be genuine and supportive, and avoid sounding too sales-oriented. Your primary focus should be on guiding them towards the benefits of LinkedIn Learning and how it can positively impact their career progression. As an affiliate, you will earn commissions for every sign-up and course purchase made through your affiliate link. LinkedIn Learning offers generous commissions, with the potential to earn up to $10 for each sign-up and 35% of sales from standalone course purchases. The earnings can vary depending on the specific courses individuals choose to enroll in. To track your performance and earnings, LinkedIn provides reporting and analytics tools. These tools allow you to monitor the effectiveness of your promotional efforts and identify areas for improvement. By analyzing the data provided, you can optimize your marketing strategies, refine your messaging, and target specific segments of your audience more effectively. To excel as a LinkedIn Learning affiliate, it's essential to constantly engage with your connections and foster meaningful professional relationships. LinkedIn provides a range of additional features that can be leveraged to enhance your affiliate success. By actively sharing content, participating in relevant groups, and offering valuable resources in your niche, you can establish yourself as a go-to expert. Consistently delivering value and positioning yourself as a knowledgeable source will build trust in your network. This, in turn, expands your connections and boosts the likelihood of converting leads into customers. Posting compelling and insightful content on a regular basis helps showcase your expertise and keeps your audience engaged. Sharing relevant industry news, tips, and tutorials reinforces your authority and strengthens your credibility. Actively participating in groups allows you to contribute to discussions, offer solutions, and connect with like-minded professionals. Furthermore, sharing valuable resources such as ebooks, white papers, or case studies positions you as a reliable and trustworthy affiliate. Providing these resources freely not only helps your network but also demonstrates your commitment to their success. By consistently engaging with your connections and utilizing the various features LinkedIn offers, you can maximize your potential as a LinkedIn Learning affiliate and drive increased conversions. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to get paid by only using a Facebook trick. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.